Alright, I'm back.
I feel your feel surrounded by your skin. You feel my heartbeat vibrate.
If you guys don't know me, my name is Vivian, and as said in my last video, I was going to be uploading more often. So I'm getting ready to go on a date with my mother because it's her birthday. Yeah, because I don't have a boyfriend. How are you guys? I've been not that great. I haven't been living my best life. It's been pretty chaotic, you know, with like school and just, yeah, it's basically just school. There's nothing else interesting going on in my life. So I already have my eyebrows on because they're kind of short and ugly. Just thought I'd show you a simple look. I got so lazy, so like I usually have my makeup all nice and organized and like my jars are everything, but like lately I've just stuffed them all in a bag because your girl has no time. I'm almost running out of this, but I use this. It's my go-to. I don't even like putting on foundation anymore because I used to use a CC all the time, but that made my skin like so thick. I mean, we love a thick queen, but that's just the wrong kind of thick, so we don't want that. Oh no, I didn't. Oh my god, did I actually? Okay, here it is. I really don't like using beauty blenders, and I don't know if it's just me, but like it smells swampy, like because I keep stuffing it in this bag that it makes my beauty blender smell kind of like funky. So anyways, moving on, I just go into this NARS. I'm almost out. I need to get a new one, but I'm in the shade Marron Glacé. Oh, I'm so fancy speaking French. Go in with this, and then I'll like hide my red areas because like my skin gets so red easily, and if you guys have been watching me, then you would know. I already put primer on and everything, like all my moisturizer on and everything, so that's that. Okay, I honestly don't even know what to post, so this is like a on the spot. Oh my god, what if this is like glow up with me because I'm kind of ugly, and this is just gonna make me look a little less ugly. Anyway, so I like using this now, and like it just like pats like the thing so well into my skin. Like, this is my best friend, Vaseline, and it's the only thing that keeps my lips moisturized without crack-a-lacking like other chapsticks do. Like, okay, so then I'll go in with my because this is a date look, I'll go in with like a heavier look at night, and I'll go in with my this Fit Me concealer. Oh my god, I've never done it with this before. Like, I feel like I just like mudded my face. Like, now that I look like mud, we're gonna go in with our blush, and it's the same blush I always use because I don't have any other blush, and it's like my favorite. Like, I cannot give this up, but it's running out and I'm gonna cry because if I don't find another shade like this, I will cry. But yeah, I really like adding it to like the right here just because it like gives me this like weird like cute like blush kind of effect. I love like soft brown looks too, so I'm gonna stick with that.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano.
Oh my god, I'm actually like about to get my like driver's license. Like, I know I'm a bit late and this is like really lame, but your girl can finally drive soon. Trust me, if you are in a car with me, you might want to consider getting life insurance. Like, what's happening? Oh yeah, I've just been like doing midterms, and like honestly, like school's never ending. So like, I don't know, should I just drop out and become a stripper? Is that like, I don't know, how do people look pretty doing their makeup? Like, I look like their makeup, like it's just not cute.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuo giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando.
So next we're gonna be applying on lashes because you know what? Catfish life. I don't know, I feel like I can't go without lashes. Like, I already have no eyelashes. Like, do you see? Like, I really don't have eyelashes. Like, it's kind of sad, but whatever. So ugly. Wow, my eye just grew like 10 times bigger. I want to like be able to stay consistent with YouTube, but like sometimes I feel so shy. Because this is even the right eye. I think I have to switch the sides. Like this doesn't look well. Okay, let's switch sides. Like you will never ever see me applying lipstick on video because I will never ever wear lipstick. It's just not my thing. It tastes like soil and that's not a very nice taste. It's really weird. If I wear waterproof mascara, especially my bottom lashes, like it'll melt off my face. But if I wear like non-waterproof, it'll stay on. My hair looks so ugly right now. Like no matter what I do to my face, my hair will look like this. So there's really no point. I don't know if you can tell, but like my skin's kind of glowing right now. And then there you go. Cute. I sounded like a man, holy crap. Okay, and then the last step is to change out of this ugly thing. Oh, hey guys. This is how you make you guys look kind of cutie. But yeah, this is the look for today.
And we're gonna go catch some boys with this look.